Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel, and we are just outside of Alsager, the new Sainsbury's. Right, finally Kidsgrove has a choice. So we've always had Tesco, but not too far away now we have got the new Sainsbury's and a petrol station, and it's cheaper. Today's the 1st of March 2025, and here we go, the new Sainsbury's. All these trees will be growing up and being beautiful, I guess, in a few years. And that's the new filling station. It's all on Bruns Farm Road. Wildflower seeded area. So all this is going to be spectacular actually in the summer. It looks as though they've got like a little bit of a stream there. And all these trees are going to grow up in the next few years. And I'm glad we can bring this video to you guys today. Located just off the roundabout here. Some beautiful new houses that have gone up as well. And it looks as though they've got one jet wash area just off the forecourt of the garage there. Not too sure which bus that would be, but there is a bus stop right there, and then you walk up into to Sainsbury's. Also has a Starbucks drive-through, an Argos, a smart change. I'm not too sure what they are doing over here on this side. A lot more work to be done, but it's going to be beautiful when all this is wildflower area. And they've actually got sort of like a waterfall feature there, so it looks as though that's going to be like a nice little park area where you'll be able probably to walk down these paths. So that'll soon be really busy when everyone knows about the washing area there. It looks as though there's a vacuum to the right hand side, and this fanny is getting a real good clean. And Sainsbury's right in front. Pretty big car park. And from what I can see, yeah, completely free. Right, come with me and let's head into the new Sainsbury's. Well, the question is, are you guys going to be leaving Tesco and heading here into Sainsbury's? Welcome to Sainsbury's Alsager. Hello. What a self-checkout there. From what I can see so far, I like it. Health and beauty area. Sweets, chocolates. That one looks pretty good. And there we go. That's the new look Sainsbury's Alsager. You've got a ATM machine there. Monday to Saturday 7 AM to 10 PM. Sunday 10 AM to 4 PM. There we go. Hope you've enjoyed that short video today, walking around the new Sainsbury's. And if you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Are you going to be going to Sainsbury's or Tesco?